When it comes to reliable and feature-packed dash cams, Azdome has earned a strong reputation for offering high-quality devices at competitive prices. Whether you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or road trip enthusiast, having a dependable dash cam is essential for capturing every moment on the road and protecting yourself in case of accidents or disputes. In this video, we'll highlight the top 5 Azdome dash cams that stand out for their video quality, smart features, ease of use, and overall value. Links to all products are mentioned in this description below. Let's get started at number 5. Azdome V600 Dash Cam. Reliable protection on the road and while parked requires technology that can deliver clarity, consistency, and broad visibility. This dual-lens dash cam brings together essential features for drivers who demand reliable documentation in both bright daylight and the darkest conditions. With its ability to record both front and interior views simultaneously in crisp 1080p Full HD resolution, it ensures every detail is captured with precision. Whether you're commuting daily or taking long road trips, the dash cam offers high-definition evidence for incidents, potential accidents, or unexpected events. The dual recording functionality also serves rideshare drivers, taxi services, and fleet operators who want an accurate account of both the road and the cabin at all times. Nighttime driving is often a challenge for standard dash cams, but the inclusion of Super Night Vision elevates this model by allowing the camera to capture detailed footage even in poor lighting. The night vision technology improves image quality in low-light environments, reducing noise and enhancing clarity, so you'll have dependable recordings no matter the time of day. This becomes especially useful in urban settings with variable lighting, or in rural areas with minimal illumination. A 170 degrees wide-angle lens ensures broad coverage of the road ahead and surrounding environment. This extended field of view minimizes blind spots, giving drivers greater awareness of neighboring lanes, intersections, and sudden activity. This broad coverage is key for documenting side impacts and multi-lane incidents, often overlooked by narrower lenses. Loop recording means the device continuously overwrites old footage when storage is full, eliminating the need to manually clear space. This function ensures uninterrupted documentation of your drives. Complementing this is the G-sensor, which automatically detects collisions or sudden movements and locks the corresponding video files, protecting them from being overwritten. These preserved clips are critical for insurance claims or legal disputes. The 24-hour parking mode feature acts as a silent guardian when the vehicle is unattended. It actively monitors surroundings and records if motion or impact is detected. This functionality offers peace of mind for vehicle owners who park in public areas, garages, or overnight locations. The camera silently springs into action even when you're away, safeguarding your investment with passive vigilance. Pros: dual recording, night vision, wide-angle lens, impact detection. Cons: limited resolution, no GPS. Number 4. Azdome GS63H Dash Cam. Comprehensive road safety requires more than just standard video. It calls for advanced resolution, intelligent technology, and consistent performance in all conditions. Designed with the demands of today's drivers in mind, this dash cam combines ultra-high-definition recording with cutting-edge sensors and smart features to ensure maximum protection on and off the road. Capturing at an impressive 4K UHD resolution of 2880x2160p, it delivers incredibly sharp and detailed footage, essential for accurate incident analysis and legal documentation. Whether you're navigating congested urban roads or open highways, the visual clarity ensures that license plates, traffic signs, and unexpected events are recorded with stunning accuracy. Built around the powerful Novatech NT96660 processor and a high-performance Sony IMX335 image sensor, the dash cam excels in both daytime and low-light recording. The combination of this processing power and sensor quality enhances detail retention, reduces image noise, and provides balanced exposure. Even in dimly lit environments or during nighttime drives, Super Night Vision supported by an f/1.8 wide aperture and a 6-glass wide-angle lens ensures superior clarity. This is especially valuable for capturing important details in conditions where conventional cameras typically struggle, such as underground parking lots, rural roads, or during inclement weather. Integrated GPS functionality adds a crucial layer of data to every recording by logging your vehicle's speed, location, and route. This not only aids in navigation but also strengthens evidence in the case of disputes or claims. With built-in Wi-Fi, footage can be easily accessed and managed through the dedicated Azdome app, allowing for quick playback, downloading, and sharing without needing to remove the SD card or connect to a computer. This seamless connectivity enhances user convenience and provides instant access to your recordings whenever necessary. A wide 170 degrees field of view minimizes blind spots and captures more of the surrounding environment in a single frame. This extended coverage is crucial for recording events occurring at the sides of the vehicle or in adjacent lanes, ensuring a more comprehensive view of any situation. Whether you're parked or in motion, the camera's ability to document a wide area contributes to a fuller, more reliable account of road incidents. The 24-hour parking monitoring function adds another level of security when the vehicle is unattended. By continuously watching for motion or impact, the camera records suspicious activity or collisions while parked, giving peace of mind to vehicle owners regardless of location. This feature is particularly useful in urban environments or high-traffic areas where risks of vandalism or minor impacts are more common. Pros: 4K resolution, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi access, night vision. Cons: small display, high file size. Number 3. Azdome M590 Dash Cam. Offering comprehensive surveillance for vehicles, this advanced dash cam is designed for drivers who demand superior coverage, high resolution, and seamless connectivity. With its 3-channel recording capability, it captures footage from the front, inside, and rear simultaneously, delivering up to 2.5K for the front camera and 1080p for both interior and rear views. When used in single-channel mode, the front lens can even record in 4K resolution, ensuring ultra-crisp visuals that document every detail with precision. This setup is particularly ideal for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone seeking full situational awareness in and around their vehicle. The dual 150 degrees ultra-wide-angle lenses for the cabin and rear cameras expand coverage significantly, minimizing blind spots and capturing a broader field of view. Performance is further elevated by the integration of Wi-Fi 6 technology, which triples the data transmission speed compared to standard 2.4 GHz systems. This ensures faster downloads, smoother connectivity, and more stable performance when paired with the free Azdome app. Through the app, users can view, manage, and share footage directly from their smartphones, making it easy to access and preserve important clips or memorable moments from any journey. Built-in GPS offers real-time tracking of speed, route, and location, enhancing safety and accountability. Whether you're navigating a new city or analyzing driving data, the GPS function enables greater transparency. Paired with the Azdome GPS player for desktop, users can replay footage with corresponding location data, adding context to events and allowing for a more complete understanding of any incidents that occur. The included 64GB SD card and loop recording functionality mean the dash cam is ready to go out of the box, with continuous recording that overwrites older files when storage is full. This guarantees that the latest footage is always available, including both picturesque scenery and potential emergencies. There's no need to worry about losing critical data due to full storage. Everything updates automatically for seamless use. Low light and night conditions are handled with confidence thanks to WDR technology and IR night vision. WDR ensures well-balanced images even when transitioning between light and shadow, while the interior camera's 6 infrared LEDs provide clear, unobtrusive recording of cabin activity at night. Whether driving in daylight, twilight, or darkness, the dash cam maintains clarity and detail across all 3 channels. Pros: triple channel, Wi-Fi 6, GPS tracking, IR night vision. Cons: needs hardwire kit, large file size. Number 2. Azdome M580-2CH Dash Cam. Designed for drivers who demand premium quality, extensive coverage, and effortless usability, this 3-channel dash cam combines the latest advancements in imaging and interface technology. At its core, it features an ultra-sharp 5K front-facing camera, capturing footage at 4K resolution when used alongside the 1080p cabin and 1080p rear cameras. Together, they deliver a complete 360-degree view around your vehicle, covering front, interior, and rear perspectives simultaneously. With 150 degrees wide-angle lenses, each camera ensures broad visibility and minimizes blind spots. This setup is ideal for everyday drivers, rideshare professionals, and anyone who values detailed, multi-angle security footage. What sets this dash cam apart is its 4-inch IPS touchscreen, which transforms how drivers interact with the device. Unlike most button-operated dash cams, this model offers intuitive fingertip control through a bright, responsive interface. Adjusting settings, locking critical video, or navigating playback can be done with a simple tap. This streamlined design reduces distractions and enhances in-car convenience, making it easy for users to operate on the go without fumbling through complex menus. Performance-wise, the camera delivers exceptional night vision capability. The cabin camera includes 6 infrared lights and an f2.0 aperture to illuminate dark interiors, capturing clear visuals even in pitch-black conditions. Meanwhile, the front and rear cameras benefit from a 6-layer all-glass lens and proprietary focal length technology that absorb and balance light, significantly improving image sharpness and reducing glare or reflection during night driving. Whether it's identifying license plates or capturing roadside activity in the dark, this dash cam performs reliably in low-light environments. The built-in Wi-Fi with 5.8 GHz support further boosts user experience by enabling fast wireless transfers and real-time access to video via the Azdome app. Though it doesn't connect to the internet, the Wi-Fi function allows smartphones within a 9-foot range to download and view recordings without removing the SD card. This convenience proves invaluable for quickly reviewing footage after an incident or sharing clips on the go. A full suite of premium features rounds out this powerful device: loop recording, G-sensor-triggered emergency locking, motion detection, time-lapse recording, GPS tracking, and 24-hour parking monitoring. When an impact or movement is detected, the dashcam instantly captures and protects footage from being overwritten, ensuring key moments are saved for review. With loop recording, continuous video capture is maintained without interruption, and manual deletion is possible when stored emergency clips occupy excessive space. Pros: 5K resolution, touch screen, cabin IR vision, supercapacitor. Cons: no internet access. Number 1 in the winner is Azdome PG17 Max Dashcam. Combining ultra-high-definition recording with advanced driver assistance and a sleek mirror-integrated design, this dual-camera dash cam delivers comprehensive protection and next-generation functionality for modern drivers. Featuring front-facing 4K resolution and rear-facing 2.5K resolution, it captures crystal-clear footage from both angles, ensuring essential details like license plates, road markings, and surroundings are preserved in sharp clarity. Whether navigating urban congestion or cruising on the highway, this dual-lens setup enhances situational awareness and provides valuable visual evidence in any scenario. The 12-inch touchscreen mirror display seamlessly replaces your standard rearview mirror, transforming your driving experience with a smart, full-screen interface. This mirror dash cam not only improves rear visibility, especially in low-light or rainy conditions, but also provides quick and easy access to menu settings, real-time video playback, and on-screen alerts. The responsive display is smooth and intuitive, allowing for gesture-based navigation and screen brightness adjustment, even while driving. At the heart of this system is a suite of intelligent ADAS designed to actively support safer driving. Features like BSD, LCA, collision warnings, and lane departure notifications work together to reduce risks and enhance awareness. By alerting drivers to vehicles in adjacent lanes or unexpected lane drifting, these safety technologies act as a co-pilot on the road, offering timely prompts to help prevent accidents before they happen. For round-the-clock protection, the device supports 24-hour parking surveillance using a built-in time-lapse mode. Once hardwired, the dashcam continues to monitor and record footage even after the vehicle is turned off, capturing activity at a reduced frame rate to conserve memory while still documenting key incidents. Whether it's a minor parking lot bump or suspicious activity, this feature ensures continuous surveillance and peace of mind when you're away from your vehicle. Loop recording functionality keeps the system running efficiently by automatically overwriting older files when the storage limit is reached, while locking critical clips triggered by collisions or emergency braking. This ensures that essential video data remains protected without requiring constant manual file management. With support for SD cards up to 256 GB, users can store large volumes of high-resolution footage without frequent deletions. Pros: 4K clarity, ADAS features, mirror display, easy installation. Cons: requires hardwire kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.